It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, May 29th. I'm James Spann. Warm, muggy conditions over the weekend. The sun out at times. A few scattered storms. Hey, must be summertime around here. Let's go in there and check things out. Start with a water vapor satellite view. Main dynamic support for the really active weather still west of the state. And around here, we have very little winds aloft, no dynamic forcing, just the buoyancy created by the heat of the day. And we have these cumulus clouds all across the state. That's the cumulus field this afternoon, and we got some big storms over the eastern part of the state as I do this update, producing very heavy amounts of rain. In fact, that was the radar at 2:43. Heaviest rain pretty much up and down the mighty Coosa River, Lake Neely Henry, down to Lake Logan Martin, and then down into parts of southern Talladega and Coosa County. New showers and storms forming over the northwestern part of the state. Those will die down once the sun goes down later this evening. A little warmer today because not as much rain as recent days, generally speaking. We have Birmingham at 82, Tuscaloosa 85. We'll expect mostly mid-80s over the weekend, but notice Fort Payne is only at 72 because it is raining there. To the west, more problems. A tornado watch for parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma, Missouri. Surrounding that, we have a lot of flash flood watches. A number of counties in northeast Oklahoma under flash flood warnings. Severe weather possibilities will stay west of the state today and tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk clipping the northwestern corner of the state. And on day 3, all of Alabama in a marginal risk, and it means just that. It's marginal. Maybe a few storms on Sunday with gusty winds and a lot of lightning and heavy rain. Most of the afternoon storms in summer, the primary severe threat is from wet microbursts, localized areas of strong straight-line winds. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. The heavier totals over the northwestern corner of the state. Average amounts here about 1 inch, and again, you know your number might vary. All right, model fans. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Troughing to the west. Down below that, little surface low is near St. Louis with a trailing front. And this is suggesting the most widespread showers and storms could stay a little west of the state. In fact, this is the high-res NAM looking pretty dry tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. And both really the NAM and the GFS are not bullish on rain. So I think we can scale it back to widely scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. And again, mid-80s are likely. Sunday, that boundary gets a bit closer, so the activity should increase on Sunday. So clearly of the 2 days, tomorrow and Sunday, the higher coverage of the showers and storms will likely be Sunday. But even then, it's not going to rain all day. Then Monday, the front kind of stalls out over northwest Alabama. The GFS tries to trend us drier. And the same thing on Tuesday. The dry air kind of creeps in here. So maybe a decent part of Monday and Tuesday will be dry, but we certainly can't take out the chance of showers. And then Wednesday, a muggy day, partly sunny, scattered mostly afternoon and evening, showers and storms, highs mid-80s. Same thing Thursday. And a week from today, a little upper low west of the state, that might enhance the coverage of showers and storms at the end of next week. This is Friday, June 5th. Into the forecast, Monday, June 8th. We've still got broad troughing in through here, but the axis a little east of the state, that looks relatively dry. Temperatures over the next 15 days, what you might expect. Highs in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. That is right at seasonal values for early to mid-June. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates both tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.